Hi everyone, this is Julie with Accetta's Journey. I'm sure that you can hear where my next adventure took me. It is absolutely beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and just show you. First of all, check out the green behind me. And my first waterfall in Indonesia. Actually, there's two here. I will be swimming in this water soon enough. Serene, peaceful, breathtaking, like my hands are shaking because it's so awesome. Beautiful. Lots of negative ions going around here. I will be posting pictures on Instagram and Facebook. If you are not a follower for Instagram and Facebook, just type in Julie Accetta's Journey and you'll see both of my accounts on Instagram and Facebook. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Julie Accetta's Journey. Click the like, thumbs up, and the bell for notifications so you know when I upload new content. There's a bridge behind me that I'm gonna walk over. Oh, let's just do it now. It's a little, like no sidewalks. So kind of rocky, kind of very soily. Oh, look at the stream. Hold on. There's the bridge. Okay, ready to do this? Okay, first of all, let me show you how the bridge is built. All right, friends. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, so it's made of bamboo, so it's gotta be sturdy, right? It is actually pretty sturdy. There's no wobble to the bridge or anything. Easy enough. Let me take you a close up to this other waterfall. This has been an amazing day. We did the volcano, and I forgot, I don't know if I told you, but the volcano hike started at 2 a.m. and we finished at 7:30 a.m. So that was a lot of hiking. Then we had lunch at a coffee plantation, and then we came to the waterfall. So look at how beautiful. Just the sounds alone. Okay, I'm going to sign off. Thank you so much for watching. Love to all. I'm going to be taking a dip here soon. Absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching.